From Terang Bulan to the national anthem, tracing the history of patriotism from Perak. Hello, respected judge, teachers, and friends. My name is Afan, and today I will speak on the journey of our national anthem, tracing its roots from Perak's royal song to the anthem that unites all Malaysians. This story is not just about music. It is about patriotism, loyalty, and the spirit of a nation. The melody of our national anthem, Negaraku, began in Perak in the late 19th century. Sultan Abdullah Muhammad Shah II of Perak was exiled to the Seleucids. There he encountered a French melody called La Rosalie. This tune was later adopted as Perak Royal Anthem. Allah lanjutkan usia Sultan, meaning God later the Sultan age. Over time, the melody spread across the Malay world. It became known as Terang Bulan, a popular folk song in the 1920s and 1930s, sung at parties and celebrations in Singapore and Malaya. Its gentle rhythm and familiar tone made it beloved, but its roots remained tied to Perak's royal heritage. Fast forward to 1957, as Malaya prepared for independence, a national contest was held to choose an anthem, but none of the answers was suitable. Finally, Tunku Abdul Rahman proposed using the Perak State Anthem at the foundation. The melody was arranged by musicians from Radio Malaya and Royal Police Band, and new lyrics were written to reflect unity, loyalty, and love for the homeland. At midnight on 31st August 1957, as the Union Jack was lowered and the Malaysian flag was raised, Negaraku was played for the very first time. From that moment, Negaraku became more than a song. It became a symbol of patriotism, reminding of our duty to the king and country. Its Perak origin highlights how one state's heritage can inspire national unity. The program menyamai semangat kesetiaan pada raja dan negara, and Perak continues this legacy, teaching young Malaysians that loyalty to the king and love for the nation are values that must be nurtured. Ladies and gentlemen, the journey from Terang Bulan to Negaraku is a journey of identity. It shows us that patriotism is built on history, shelter, and respect for our leaders. As Malaysians, we must carry this spirit forward, standing united, loyal, and proud. Thank you.